It's a very powerful question. I think it's not only for students. The art of slowing down is
You wrote that India must prepare as a marathon team, not a sprint team. We often talk about digital transformation, Industry 4.0 and CPS, cyber physical systems. But why don't we talk enough about human transformation?
I would say if you take the people pillar as the most important pillar,
human is more powerful.